Hello, good afternoon all. Here is a PowerPoint presentation that how to obtain a service tax registration. So in this PowerPoint presentation there are few slides by which we are going to show the total procedure by which the service tax can be registered through online. So let's see the slides. Service tax registration process can be done at 3 steps with the Service Tax Department. Register online with ACES. ACES, that is Automation of Central Excise and Service Tax. Fill up online registration application form, that is form ST1. Submit relevant supporting documents for verification by post or in person. So, register with ACES to create username and password online. Go to www.aces.gov.in. Then select Service Tax tab, that is the upper right corner of the web page. Login page opens like this slide. Below the login box, click on New Users to click here to register with ACES. Enter details in the online form. It will require username, email address for communication, company or business name, any one director or proprietor's name, mobile number of director or proprietor. After filling all the details, click on Submit button. After registration with ACES, the user will have a username and password. The password will be sent to the email ID given in the form. Fill up online registration application form, that is form ST1. Then again with the login ID and password, go to the site, that is www.aces.gov.in. Select Service Tax tab, that is upper right corner of the web page. Login page opens. After first login, this screen will appear. Login with username and password created in step 1 above, that is received in your email address. Insert new password and give a hint question for security purpose. Then click on Submit button. Click on REG menu. Click on Fill ST1. Blank form ST1 application form for service tax registration will open like the slide. Fill up all the columns. When you are filling the columns, please use the tab key to move from column to column. PAN is mandatory here. Select the correct constitution. Select correct category of registrant. In case of reverse charge, select service recipient. If providing as well as reverse charge applicable, then select both service provider and service recipient. Select centralized registration only if there are multiple branches. Select taxable services provided or received. After clicking on services, list of all services will shown as here in this slide. Tick on corresponding checkbox on the service which will be selected. After select service, click on Submit button which is below of all service list. Fill address correctly. Mobile number is mandatory. Email address is mandatory. Please give phone or mobile or email IDs of the assessee only. Click on Know Your Location option. That is on the page to select your CDR. CDR, that is Commissionerate Division Range. After select Commissionerate Division Range, click on Next button. So here is the list from which you have to select your desired Commissionerate Division and range as per your area basis. And also your KMC ward basis you have to select here. For your further assistance, if you can't find your proper ward basis, division or range or commissionerate, then please take the assistance of the Kendriya Utpad Shulk Bhavan, that is 180 Shanti Polli, Rajdanga Main Road, Koshba, Kolkata 107, and the phone number you can also get in touch with the contact details, that is 03324429975. So here, give residential address of the concerned person, enter correct phone or mobile number and email ID. For partnerships or company or society or trusts, enter the names and address of the partners or directors or trustees or official bearers as applicable. Check mark the boxes for authorized signatory, declarant for preferably only one of the partners or directors. By clicking Save and Add New, the entered person's details are saved and space is provided to enter the next person's detail. On clicking Save and Continue, the ST1 form is shown in full in the next page with facility to print and submit to the department. After click on Submit button, acknowledgement will be generated. Take printout in 2 copies for submission to the ST department. Submit relevant supporting documents for verification by post or in person. Relevant supporting documents to be submitted within 7 days of filling registration application. Documentation self-attested copies must be there. PAN card copy, photograph of the person filling the application, proof of identity of the person filling the application, PAN card, voter ID or passport copy or Aadhaar card or driving license or ID issued by CG, SG, PSU, proof of profession of the premises to be registered, that is lease deed or rent agreement or allotment letter from government or tax passbook on property or NOC, no objection certificate from legal owner. Details of main bank account, certificate of incorporation plus MOA plus AOA or partnership deed or bylaws, list of directors, authorization by the board of directors or partners or proprietor for the person filling the application. Business transaction numbers obtained from the government department or agencies, BIN number, customs, IEC code, VAT number, state sales tax, CST number, company index number, that is CIN, and others if any applicable, which were issued prior to filling the ST registration application. You have to submit all the documents to the said department within 7 days after submitting online application of registration. Otherwise, this online application will be rejected by the department. After submission of all documents to department, registration certificate will be generated online from department in ST2 form as per shown in debit. So this is the total registration procedure that the slides have already been shared. So to know more about this kind of any online procedure, any services, please refer to our website www.helpmybees.in, your efficient tax partner. Thank you.